Samwa. Today I will show you how to cook rice, how to clean the table, and how to wash dishes. Wash the rice once if it is clean, twice if it is not so clean. Discard the water after washing. Put clean water with the rice at a ratio of 1:1. This is the usual ratio used for all types of rice. However, for the newly harvested rice, the water required may be a bit less because of the high moisture content of the grains. For varieties that have been stored for quite a long time, add a little more water to make up for the lost moisture content of the grains. Power the rice cooker on and set it to cook. Let the rice cook and open only when you see the light indicator of the rice cooker indicating warm. Let the rice rest for a little bit, about 5 to 10 minutes, by opening the top and letting out the steam. Fluff the rice using a rice paddle so that it is less sticky. Then serve. Get a tray, a bin, or a pushcart. Start with the plates, remove the leftovers, and place them all together on one plate or bowl. Arrange the plates by stacking them on one top of the other. Place the glasses in one tray. Arrange them side by side, as stacking them may cause difficulty when you separate them later. Put all forks and spoons in one container to avoid dropping and scattering them. Pots and pans should be placed on one top of the other according to the size and in one corner of the sink. Bring all the used dishes to the kitchen sink. Use a tray or cart if needed. Clear the table after it has been cleared. Rinse or soak pans, pots, and other utensils. Soak those with sugar syrup or pots in hot water, and those with cooked or uncooked starches in cold water. For the used dishes, arrange them in the order of washing: glasses, plates, forks and spoons, and pots and pans. It is important to remove all leftovers from the plates, glasses, and then soak each in water to soften stubborn, sticking food. This also makes it easy for soaping and rinsing. Prepare a soap solution in a small basin. With the use of a sponge or cloth with a rough texture, start scrubbing the dishes thoroughly, starting from the inside and then at the back. Soaping should be done in the following order: glasses, plates, forks and spoons, saucers, and pots and pans. Rinse each utensils with clean running water. If water is limited, fill up 3 basins with water and rinse each glasses, plate, fork and spoon, saucer, pot, and pan in this order. Arrange in a dish drainer and allow each to dry, or wipe each utensil using a clean, dry, absorbent towel. If desired, scald the dishes by pouring hot water on them to disinfect them. I hope you learned something from me today. Thank you for watching. God bless.